If there's one thing that I really dislike doing, it's cleaning my home. Fortunately, thanks to technology, we now have a solution to that problem, and it's a surprisingly efficient one. My name is Ali and you're watching Gadgets 360. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified every time we post a new video. This is the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P. Now that name really does sound like a bit of a mouthful. Priced at under 25,000 rupees right now, this device is exactly what its name suggests. It sweeps, vacuums, and mops your home. But just how effective is this device? And can it completely replace cleaning your home with your hands? Let's find out. First, let's talk about pricing and availability. The Mop P is available via pre-orders and the price is currently 20,000 rupees. After July 15, it will go up to 22,000 rupees and it's likely to go up further in August if it's still available. Now let's look at what you get in the box. You have the brush, vacuum and water compartments, mop fittings, and charging station. There's also a small tool with a brush and knife included in the vacuum that can be used for small maintenance tasks. The Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P is an automated cleaning robot on wheels. It can move around by itself and even has a mind of its own that can scan your home using its laser detect system. To clean your house, the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P uses two functions that you can choose manually. Just like other vacuum cleaners, it is fitted with a brush that sweeps dust and impurities towards the center of the device where it gets vacuumed up. But the real novelty is the mopping bit. It spreads out the water and wipes the floor using a fabric mop fitting. You do have to manually keep the vacuum compartments clean and the water reservoir for the mopping topped up before every cleanup. You'll also have to occasionally clean out the vacuum roller as well when there are impurities stuck in it. You can also summon the little robot when you're too lazy to get off the couch after dropping food crumbs on the floor. The device is actually pretty effective at this. You can have the device clean in a zone space or remote control it yourself using the Mi Home app. While it does seem like the device is pretty smart, using the Mi Home app is an important part of the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P experience. The app opens up various additional capabilities such as mapping your home for more systematic cleaning and routing. It is incredibly elaborate. You can set specific zones or rooms for cleaning, create virtual walls or restricted areas, control the power of the vacuum and water outflow, or use the remote control mode to manually control it. The app even lets you schedule tasks, order the device to start, pause or return to the charging dock, and monitor the battery level. The Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P has a 3200 mAh battery. Now while this might sound like a lot in smartphone terms, keep in mind that this vacuum cleaner needs a lot of power to drive the wheels, to vacuum, and to also stay connected to the Wi-Fi so that you can control it with your smartphone. The device was able to clean my 600 square foot home in around 45 to 50 minutes and had the battery drained down from full to around 60% for this. You could therefore hope to clean a 1300 square foot apartment in just about one full charge. However, if you're cleaning a house that is a little bit bigger than that, the device will need to charge itself in between cleaning. A cool thing about the Vacuum Mop P is that it can make its own way back to the charging station to recharge, simply rolling over and making contact with the charging points on the dock. It then stays in standby mode, ready to start up once again once you've cleaned out the dust compartments and topped up the water in the reservoir. But it isn't perfect. It can't quite reach the edges and obviously can't navigate under low furniture and through narrow gaps, so you'll have to clean these yourself. It also isn't recommended to put any additives in the water reservoir, so you'll have to mop with floor cleaning liquids separately. To conclude, the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P is packed to the gills with features, and even though it looks expensive at around 25,000 rupees, it is significantly more affordable than much of the similarly positioned and largely unorganized competition today. If you're looking for a break from the cleaning and want technology to help you out, this is the right product to start with. So does the Mi Robot Vacuum Cleaner really help? Well, it gave me a much needed break from the cleaning. That's not to say that I never have to use my hands to clean my house ever again, but it did reduce the frequency to around once a week, where I used to be having to clean it every day. That was our review of the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P. For all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.